Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to take a live photo or motion photo on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then swipe here, and here you can enable active photos. So you can set automatic active photo or just turn it on. So like when you have this feature enabled, you can take moving images. So I will show you how it looks like. So you just like take a photo of a moving object, or like take a photo and something moves in the background or something, I don't know. And like to see this picture moving, you have to open it in gallery and like still picture, nothing moves. But in order to, okay, it moves. So in order to it to start moving, you just have to hold your finger on it and it moves. So as you can see, like it's a still picture, and then I hold my finger and it starts moving. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.